Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382, and today we have a 2007 Mazda BT-50 Extra Cab, stock reference number 3970. This vehicle has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille, left hand headlight. It's got a factory fitted alloy bull bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and spotlights. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre, chrome power door mirror, left hand side. Left front door has one small dent and very light wobbles. Left rear door has a few small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Tailgate has a few small dents. Bumper bar in the chrome has one small dent on the left hand side. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, less neck. Right hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. And right hand front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. There's the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, less the fan speed knobs, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a pretty tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.